Okay, y'all. Breathe. For real. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm still up here in New York. Trying to get up out of this mug. But what I want to share? I wanted to share about systems. There are a lot of systems in play in this country. And you can't just, well, you know what? I won't talk about what you can't do. Let's talk about what we can do. If we're fortunate enough to get that primary basic education, whether we got it through public school or homeschool or whatever school, if we've managed to learn how to read and write and learn a little bit about life science, health science, and whatever, history, politics, civics, whatever, those basic things, y'all, that's just the start. That's just a stepping stone. Your real education continues in college if you manage to get there. Here, college is not free. Let me say that again. Here, in this country, college is not free. The government will give you grants and stuff, oh yeah, but you got to follow their rules. You got to do it how they want you to do it, not what you're capable of doing, not how you're capable. No. So life happens and life goes on. You have kids or whatever. You might have a job if you're fortunate, but that's another video. But life happens to you. And here is your government telling you, well, you can do this for free. But guess what? You need to take so many classes. You need to do so much work. And then your professors are like, you need to be studying all this information, that's going to take 40, 50, 60, 70 hours of your time to complete the work for their classroom load, So, but y'all, the information and the knowledge that they drop, is very profound. And it helps to explain a lot of these systems that are in play in this country. And people are making a profit off of it. People are making a profit off of you because you're a citizen. Your whole goal as a citizen is to make the powers that be well off. So we're fortunate to live in a country where, yeah, we can elect certain individuals to be our leader. We may not have a dictator. We may not have a king, queen, whatever, per se. But we did have individuals that we, as a people, have elected to deal with the outside world, meaning other countries. Okay. And deal with issues at home. Okay. So, I think, my own opinion, but I think that's why we get to say whatever we want to say about whoever in leadership, and we won't get thrown in jail for it because that's our right to freedom of speech. They'll still be working, doing their leadership job. You can come gripe and complain all you want, but guess what? You elected me. And if you didn't vote, guess what? That's just the under the table. Okay, I guess I got to consent anyway. Um, y'all,